What is going on, guys? It is Friday, June 24th. We're here at the shop. It's actually the end of the day. We're expecting Nick, the winner of our giveaway, to be showing up any minute now. We're gonna record the entire thing, get his reaction, get his thoughts on it, and show you guys exactly what it's like to be a TGV giveaway winner. So we have a huge announcement. We're doing a giveaway, a Trike giveaway. If you guys haven't heard, the giveaway is in full swing. Pick up a piece of merch. Every piece of merch that you buy is 10 entries. It's gonna be double entries on the giveaway. It is the last day of the giveaway. We are only a few hours away.
Enter to win our mini Trike.
Enter for a chance to win a mini Trike! The giveaway is all over. It's done. All right, Nick F from Indiana, you won this mini Trike.
You there, Nick? Yes, sir. Pretty good. I'm shaking right now, right in my feet. Holy shit, dude. This is crazy. I'm shaking. Holy shit.
I'm the lucky winner of the first mini Trike giveaway that TGV is having. My name's Nick. I'm from Indiana. Yeah, this is definitely my final attempt on doing this video. I don't have very much storage, but yeah, this is my dad here. We're on our way out to Pennsylvania right now. It's about a 6.5 hour drive, so it's a great opportunity for me and him to have. So stay tuned. I'll send you guys more pictures and little videos on the trip up. But thanks, guys, for this opportunity.
You know, 38 miles. You know, this is Cleveland, yo, or Columbus.
Stay in the second lane from left.
I'll tell you, drivers in Ohio are different.
So we had this thing all packaged up, all crated up, ready to go, ready to ship out today. He calls up, says, "Can I come pick this thing up?" Guy drives 6 hours whole way up here just to hang with us, pick it up, and that's a stand-up guy there.
It is a stand-up guy.
But this this package came in, Steve. First post office box.
Oh, P.O. box.
Oh, that got sent to us. Oh, sweet.
First P.O. box. What is it?
Minis.
Read what it says.
A gift for you. Have a cool one when you
Wait, read it.
have a cold one when you start building my frame, from Omar Chung.
Thanks, Omar.
I always wonder, 'cause sometimes I get tricked and joked around here. Is it really the guy Omar?
As he picks up a dew. Oh!
Eagle is in the nest.
We should all like hide and jump out and scare him. What's up?
How y'all doing?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Nick?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man. How's it going?
Ben.
I'm Russell. Nice to meet you, Ricky.
I'm Dave.
Hey, Ben. To meet you, man. Thanks for making the trip. How was it? Hey, are you Ricky?
Yeah, Ricky.
Hey, pleasure to meet you. I'm Dave. Thanks for coming, bro.
Hey, nice to meet you, Steve. Nice to meet you, man.
You guys want to come check the shop out? I mean,
There's the original.
it's great.
It's kind of a little bit dirty, but
You guys have to use the restroom or anything? You got,
Yeah,
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
last door on the right. You have to use the last door.
how excited?
yeah, I
How
don't know
excited
why.
is Nick?
Oh man, he's super stoked about it. You know, like he and his buddies roll around on go-karts all the time out
Really?
there. Yeah.
We called him the day of, and he was sounding like over the moon excited.
Oh, he called me right after. He was freaking out on the phone. So,
We had.
and then I went back and watched all y'all's build videos and stuff to
Oh,
see
you
what the
seen
hell he
us
was
there?
talking.
Oh,
I
cool,
watched all
cool.
y'all stuff, build the whole thing. It was
Cool.
cool.
Yeah.
It was cool. I'm excited for him.
Yeah, man. It's cool.
Yeah. Oh, Nick, come back here. We got. You ran right past her. Didn't even see it.
Look at the bathroom. No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Go ahead, rip her off. Take a seat.
Man.
We literally haven't even rolled it around. We picked it up everywhere so we didn't get the tires dirty.
Man.
How can you say that?
How's she feel? Yeah, oh yeah.
I appreciate you guys so much.
Yeah, dude, we're so excited. What did you think whenever you saw the video and it said your name?
Man, I honestly, I didn't have any words. I was working, and then I was sitting in the van looking at the video, waiting like every second for it to post. I was just sitting there,
Yeah.
and I was waiting, and it popped up and it said Nick Frank, bing, or
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there was only like 5 views on the video, and you already commented. I was like, what's the chances?
Lunch, and I go, yeah, I was asking Nick, I'm like, what shirt size you are, and then Russ is like, the guy ordered like 1 million shirts already. I'm like, oh, that's right, I'm an idiot. Like, that was
Just take it easy.
Oh yeah.
this is Ben's pep talk.
Yeah, let's give him a pep talk.
Just like go easy and like get used to it, because like with that Ghost engine on there, it's just an absolute beast. I definitely advise against sitting in a standstill and just go.
You're like Steve.
I don't know. You ask me that like 90 times a day. I never have an answer for you.
You know what I feel like right now?
What?
I feel like the guy at Best Buy when you buy something out of the case and they lock it and they have to take it up to the cashier for you.
Nick, what are you thinking, man?
As we go by, I'll grab you a card brochures.
I don't know what to say. I don't know.
Oh, cool.
Speechless. That's
Yeah.
what. You know what's crazy? Red's my favorite color.
Oh, perfect.
That red out. I was like, man, this is like.
See you, Steve.
Later, guys.
I'm like a child right now.
Nick, you gotta give me my name's Nick, and I just won the first ever TGV Trike giveaway. Yep.
My name's Nick, and I just won the first giveaway.
Ah, that's going in the video.
I tried. I won the first giveaway, guys.
Woo!
Yeah, here you go. Don't let that leak, but just put it in. It has instructions on how much to put in. Just put a little splash.
Yeah,
Shout out to
Wild Willie.
Wild Willie.
This
Hey Russ, this just in.
so is this
Electric Monkey called. They want Nick to have a nice cold drink while he's having his mini trike. Last one of the day, baby.
Ooh.
Want to load him up?
Yeah, it's good loaded up. Oh, it's a two-man.
Look at this
It's
little
a two-man
toy.
job.
Yeah, that's why it rips, because it's so light.
Yeah, I was gonna say, does that go anywhere, Dave?
That's not going anywhere.
Oh.
No.
Electric Monkey.
Get up.
You want to get the last shot of your baby before it closes?
Gone forever. Well,
Anything else?
It's a lot.
nice meeting you. Yeah, man.
Congratulations.
I'm so excited for you guys.
You got my number, Nick, so
Thanks,
text me
man.
if you need anything. Whatever.
Yeah, even gave you one.
Gave you one on the way out.
Sure.
What more could you ask for?
Yeah, that guy was so cool.
Yeah. That guy was so amped up.
Oh,
like,
that's
sometimes you get people like me that are just like emotionless.
Yeah.
And, like, I
Cold-hearted.
go get a trike, I'd be like,
no soul.
cool, thanks guys. This guy, he was
Oh yeah.
freaking just coming alive.
Yeah, that electric monkey. Oh yeah, he knew exactly what to do. Well guys, huge congratulations to Nick. He's so excited. That was amazing. Stay tuned to see when we do the next giveaway. Maybe that could be you. Anyways, we'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Peace.
Man, that gets me all amped up to do another giveaway. See how pumped people get about those things?